Introduce yourself.
What's up, YouTube? I'm not telling you my name and stuff. That's creepy, in my opinion. I'm doing the song November 18th by Drake. So here I go. Um, first time I'm doing it. So why not? Tell me how you feel about it. I'm so high even when I'm coming down. Just met a girl, said she from the H-Town. I said my name is Drizzy, and ain't nobody realer. Cup inside a cup, smoking Ghostface Killer. Got these bloggers going crazy, nigga on the man. I sent your girl a message, said I see her when I can. She sent me one back, but I ain't never read it. Cause pussy's only pussy, and I get it when I need it. And I'm telling you,
Airports done, flying charters overseas for the Dom Perignon in the water for the D's. Don't know why it happens every time we're alone, but here we are again, and I swear I'm in my zone. So I'ma sip this drink until that motherfucker gone, and you gon' get undressed.
I don't give you the time you deserve from me. This is something I know, I know, I know. So tonight I'll just fuck you like we're in Houston. Taking everything slow, so slow, so slow. But I do it too. Yeah, that's my November 18th. Tell me what you think. Bye, you.